I'm Jarrad from JPM Electrical and Solar. We specialise in solar, battery, off-grid and general electrical. We enjoy getting out in the community and supporting locals that support us. And living in the Adelaide Hills, it's really a focal point of where we want to have a base of our business and grow from there. So at home myself, I've chosen to install a Enphase full energy system. So that includes the battery, system controller and the microinverters on our roof. Being a large home, family, kids, I can't afford a bill shock, and Enphase gives me that peace of mind because I don't have a single point of failure with the system. We want to give quality products to our customers, and Enphase was a clear choice for us, especially with the design flexibility being the main one. So customers that are told they can't have solar because of their roof or their multiple aspects, Enphase gives us that clear, defined flexibility. Other batteries that we install only have a single inverter inside. The difference with the Enphase IQ5P battery is that it has multiple inverters inside. That, coupled with the LFP latest technology, allows this battery to produce a quality, continuous output and a high surge output. With the 5 kWh modularity of the battery, that allows us to sell the battery to a customer as a 5 kWh module, and then when they see fit, we can grow that system to suit their needs. When you start multiplying your batteries, not only are you gaining a capacity in kilowatt hours, but you're also starting to add to your continuous and your surge rating of your battery system. Benefits of microinverters for me are definitely the panel level monitoring, allowing a customer insight into every panel and what's actually happening with their system in real time. The other point is that there's no single point of failure, unlike a string inverter system where you could get bill shock because you've got a panel down and that's caused your whole string to drop off and your system shuts down. The app is really simple to use for a homeowner. They can see everything they need to on one screen, and then from there they can click into different aspects of data from their system, production consumption. They can view their array and each of the panels, which allows them to see in real time what's actually happening with their system, the effects of possible shading, or if they've got a panel in the system that's down, they can identify that clear and easy through their app. The installation of the Enphase IQ5P battery is really simple. It took us about half a day to install the unit. The system controller was great to install, plenty of room to move inside the system controller, multiple and flexible cable entry points, and just keeping your cables neat inside the system controller was really key for us in making that unit look neat and also ensuring that we have quality connections. The batteries itself was very simple, most probably the easiest and simplest battery for us to install so far, and the handle placement, everything is really well balanced, which with the team of guys, occupational health and safety is a massive thing with us. So lifting that battery into position was smooth and minimal risk. The commissioning process of the IQ system controller and the batteries was really smooth and simple. It took us about 20 minutes to go from opening the app and then processing through the steps, which to me is really key when you're on site. End of the day, you want the system to be really easy to commission. The support from Enphase that we got with our first battery install was amazing. Everyone really worked as a team. We could call them any time of the day and get clear answers. That really meant a lot to us, as it shows that Enphase is invested in their product, their installers, and want to listen to people and improve their product.